Srijuta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Shagrajata Sahagana Raghunathamita Tang Shajivam Sadaitam Shabodhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Pada Shagana Lalita Vishakhanitanscha Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Today we have some question by Joy Bhakti Devi, dear Maharaj. Are there many pure Vaishnava in this age of Kali Yuga? Maybe, I don't know. But Mahaprabhu says, Lord Chaitanya says, just what he said, I just explain you. Then you calculate yourself. Mahaprabhu says there are three types of living entities. One is like a khechar, flying, such type of living entities, the birds. Then aquatic, jalchar, and sthalachar, who is living on the earth. Then he says, amongst the all living beings, that human is very rare, very less number. So, amongst the human beings, to respect Veda, it also very rare. If human beings honor Veda, they mostly honor karma part of Veda, karma part. Then Shastra says, who is following karma part of Veda, they are called karmi. So then also Mahaprabhu says, amongst the 10 million karmi, we can find one Jnani. Amongst the 10 million Jnani, we can find one Mukta Purush, liberated soul, not even pure devotee. And amongst the 10 million Mukta Purush, liberated soul, we can find one pure devotee. Then you calculate. I hope you understand what you want to say. Are all Sadhu Vaishnavas? Actually, according to our Vaishnava Shastra explanation, by birth, everyone, as soon as people born, any living entity born, they are actually Vaishnava, because all they are coming from Brahma. Brahma is Vaishnava. And Brahma coming from, why Brahma Vaishnava? Brahma coming from Vishnu, Garbhodakshai Mahavishnu. Therefore he is Vaishnava, and we are from Brahma. By birth we are Vaishnava. But, this world is material world, is perverted, our knowledge diverted, everything upside down. We have no any instinct. Just we are coming, whatever association we are getting, we are thinking accordingly. Who born in Muslim community, they say I am Muslim. Who born Christian community, they say I am Christian. Who born in Buddhist community, they say Buddhist. Yada. But actually, all are Sanatan, eternal. Krishna says also. Krishna says, Jiva Bhuto Sanatana. All Jiva is Sanatan. Sanatan means eternal. So naturally all Jiva is Vaishnava. But forget about sadhu. But sadhu means what type of sadhu? The karmi sadhu means karmi people. Jnani sadhu, tantric, the so-called sadhu. But actually sadhu means who is searching eternity. You are sadhu, you are Jai Bhakti. Therefore you are some queries. Because you are searching eternity. Therefore you are chanting, you are accepting initiation, chanting. Who is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra in this Kali Yuga? They are searching eternity. Therefore they are sadhu. Sadhu means not like a man who should be in temple. Actually, sadhu means one character who is completely engaged for searching eternity. He or she can stay in home, in temple, in jungle, in any places. Any places they can stay, but they are sadhu. Household are sadhu. Parents sadhu. Children sadhu. If they are practicing Krishna consciousness sincerely. How much sincerely we are searching eternity, that much grade of sadhu all we are. I hope you understand. Sadhu and Vaishnava, the searching eternity is called searching Lord. So therefore, you are sadhu, you are Vaishnava, who is chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, wherever they are living, that's no matter. Whatever gender they have, that's no matter. They are sadhu. So respect everyone as sadhu and Vaishnava. And whatever they have quality, it will come up. but Lord will be happy with you because you are respecting His creation. Hare Krishna, I think you understand. Question by Manini Devi from Mirpa. Dear Maharaj, please accept my humble obeisance. This is my question. If we practice sadhana through our japa, by associating with the devotees, reading the books of our acharyas, and doing service, but without sharing Krishna consciousness with those who do not know it, is our devotional service complete? First of all, the two types of sadhaka, means practitioner. One is Goshthanandi, who is always preaching. One is Bhajananandi, who is always reserving, absorbing, realizing insight. Both are sadhu. Both are practicing. Both practice is complete. How much you realize. You know this, my spiritual master used to say, first deserve, then desire. First preserve, then propagate. But if you have no realization, if you preach and share, that I think is a cheating. There is a cheating propensity. So better to respect who realized, and if you share mercifully, that is this is better. But if not sharing, still his service, his practice is complete. Complete practice means realization, not like a preaching. I hope you understand my point. I have to check. Who is Damodar maybe? Damodar not sending any Bhakta Rupa. Anyway, looks like, Anyway, I hope everything is completed. So, yesterday we released Raya Ramananda and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's conversation about humility, about Vaishnava etiquette. So Raya kahe jai mana that was Raya kahe jai kahao sei kahi bani ki kahi e bhalo mando kichui na jani. This is our mood to practice Vaishnavism. We should not be puffed up. This is my qualification. Look, whatever good quality, we have to give credit to our parampara. Whatever bad quality, that is our independent nature. In order to make ourselves understand Raya Ramananda teaching us through this dialogue. Prabhu kahe jai kaha, Raya kahe, Raya says, jai kaha means whatever you want me to say, I'm just trying to tell you. I'm just telling you that. Not trying, just telling you accordingly. Ki kahi hai bhalo mando, what is good, what is bad, I don't know. Kichui na jani hai. Yeah. I don't know what is good, what is bad. Just what you want me to say, I'm telling you. He never say, oh, I know from the Shastra, I know. There, I heard from my previous source, previous teacher. In that way, we have to speak always. ত্রিভুবন মধ্য হইছে হয় কোন জির, যে তোমার মায়া নাটে হইবে স্থির. In the threefold of universe, ত্রিভুবন মধ্যে, threefold of universe, or threefold of planetary system, ঐচ্ছি হয় কোন ধীর. Dhir means intelligence, fixed intelligence, we can say. Fixed intelligence means which fixing his mind towards the Lord abode, Lord's pastimes, everything connected to the Lord. So, oicha hoy kondhi, who could be? Actually, it is fact. Without mercy of Lord, it is impossible for us to realize Lord. Like without sunrise, it is impossible to see sun on the sky. We may have light, so much powerful light in city. If we put everything towards sky, we are not able to find out sun. Similarly, without Lord mercy, we are not able to realize Lord. So, oiche hoy kondhi means who could be such fixing, who could be fixed his intelligence or mind. Je tumar maya, Lord's maya means, Lord maya means Lords have one type of illusion, which illusion is giving us connection with Him, which is called Jagomaya. Nate hoibe sthir. Dhir sthir. Sthir means fixed. So, who could be trap of your Jagomaya? They could be fixed. So, Daivi Jesha Gunamai Mama Maya Durattaya Mama Vaja Papaddante Maya Metang Tarantite. So, Prapatti, surrender. We have to surrender Prapatti. To whom? Lord said, me. How? Lord is too far. Too far. Pretty far. Not so easy to reach. The Lord sent His representative. Who is the representative? Guru Vaishnava. Surrendered there. Therefore, Chaitanya Charitamrita, first chapter, Adi Lila, first chapter, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explain. Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan Tine Smara. Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan. Three we have to remember simultaneously. Tine Marane hoy Vigna Vinasha. All type of obstacles will destroy. How? Just to remember three. What is the obstacles? Obstacle is naughty mind, naughty intelligence. We are trying to fix towards the Lord, always diverted our mind, diverted our intelligence. So, all can be fixed still by the grace of Lord's blessings in the form of Yogamaya. So anyway, so try to pray, Lord, Guru, Vaishnava, Lord, and try to pray, try to respect everything created, whatever Lord creation. Lord creation you have to respect, and this is called surrender. Mor mukhe bhakta tumi ho sota, অত্যন্ত রহস্য শুনো সাধনের কথা মোর মুখে বক্তা তুমি though I am telling, but actually you are telling everything. মোর মুখে বক্তা তুমি means Raya Ramananda says you are actually telling through me. Oh Mahaprabhu, you are telling. Tumi ho shrota, and strange, you are also listener, we are also hearing that. You are telling, you are listening. I am your instrument only. Your operator. Ottanta rahasya, extreme mysteries involved here. Shuno sadhaner katha. Listen. Sadhaner katha means what is actual practice. Listen, what is actual practice. This is, who says? This is explained by Raya Ramananda, to whom Mahaprabhu. He is telling, but he become humble. He says, Suno, sadhaner katha, but actually you are speaking through me and you are hearing also. This is really mystery for সাধন রহস্য বর্ণন কেবল মধুর রসেই কান্ত ভাব প্রাপ্ত। সাধন রহস্য, সাধন practice, mystery of practice I am describing, but listen, only madhur ras, which is condensed form of all mellows. Whatever mellow condensed together is called madhur. So madhur rasei kanta bhav prapto. রাধা কৃষ্ণ লীলা এই অতি গুড়তর, দাস্য বাৎসল্যাদি ভাবে না হয় গোচর। Radha Krishna Lila, if you want to enter the Lila of Radha Krishna, Oti Gurotoro, it's extremely deep. Extremely deep. Deep means, Gurotoro, Guro, and grave. It's not like a crazy manner, joking, mocking manner. You can do that. Dasya, the next step, Dasya Vatsaladi Bhabe Nahaya Gochara. Dasya Ras, Shokha Ras, Vatsalya Ras. It is covering that madhur smell, fragrance of madhur, mean sweet, it's covering. Like you can say, Yashoda always thinking, Krishna is my son. Nanda Maharaj is thinking he is my son, not God. Because of parental love covering. Sakha, Siddham, Sudham, they are also same thing. Dasya is sambram, there is some reservation. Oh, I have this much. I cannot go beyond of that. I cannot climb up the Singhasan of Lord. I have to go inside temple with proper, with proper sanctity, maintain sanctity. But Madhur Ras, which is called spontaneous, loving, sweet, is not thinking. Like Prabhavati gopis. She just catch Krishna when Krishna is stealing butter. And she is catching Krishna and bringing Krishna to Mother Yashoda. Because several days they complain. But Yashoda is not believing that. So today, Prabhavati gopis, she catch. When he catch Krishna, his son also there. All the coward boys are there. But she catch Krishna, pull. So naturally Prabhupati's son also behind Krishna. Krishna's trick such manner. They have love for Krishna. They have love for Krishna. So they are bringing Krishna to Mother Yashoda. Krishna in the middle of the path, I said, oh, I am very much feeling pain. Could you please catch my another hand? Another hand. When she is just doing it, then Krishna just let catch her own son hand, her son's hand, not Krishna's hand. Krishna behind. When she reach, when it happened just about to reach Nanda Maharaja's palace, this thing happened. So when she has eagerness, today I have to prove you, your son, stealing butter. So she is calling, hey Yashoda, oh Yashoda, come here, today look. No. But when Krishna, she is not, by the Krishna's tricks, she is not looking whose hand I am holding. She is not looking there. But Krishna quickly go inside home, and telling Mama, I am hungry. And then Yashoda coming out and asking, what happened? Why you are shouting? Look today to whom I catch. Yeah. See your son. Huh? So I catch your son. No, my son is in my home, in my room, in my home. He's eating now. So you become confused. So they are not thinking, oh, this is loving manner, spontaneous loving manner like this. Not thinking of sanctity. Catching. So Radha Krishner Lila hoy oti dudotaro dasya vatsaladi bhave na hoy gochara. Dasya, shokho, vatsal, friendship, parentual, and dasya as a servant or servant. It is not possible to realize the taste of that madhurjo. What? Madhurjo? That Kanta bhav. Krishna is my Kanta. Krishna is enjoyer. Only Krishna is enjoyer. This is the mood of Anugata Sakhiganer Darai Radha Krishna Vilas Pushti. সবে এক সখীগণের ইয়া অধিকার আর এখানে সখী হইতে হয় এই লীলার বিস্তার সবে সখীগণের দ্বারা only one way সখীস they are able to expand Sakhi has deservedness to manifest such pastime or engage themselves in pastime or into the pastime. Sakhis, therefore I explained before, these Sakhis, Bhagavati Sakhis. Then Lalita Sakhi also. Visakha Sakhi, all the Sakhis, they are always managing the pastimes. Brinda Sakhi, Purnamasi Sakhis, all they are managing. Only they are eligible, they are deservedness to realize the pastimes, to enter the pastimes. Therefore, we may pretend we enter, but unless we are not getting the eternal form, eternal service, we are not realizing, it is impossible to realize. So, that we have to do it. In this lifetime, we have to get it. Sakhi bina ei lila pushta nahi hoy. Sakhi lila vistariya sakhi ashadai. Without Sakhis, these pastimes will not be fulfilled. Pushto. It is not going to be fulfilled. Well, fulfillment is not possible to relish, you can say. Pushto. Sakhi lila vistariya sakhi ashadai. Sakhi, they are realizing they are also expanding the pastimes. Sakhis. Vistari means expanding. Asadya means tasting, means realizing. Expanding and realizing. What realization? Blissful. Krishna, when they complain, Sakhis complain to Mother Jashoda, few days, Krishna not going to steal any Sakhi's house. Then they complain again, Krishna, why you are not coming to our home? Then Krishna said, you just complain to my mother, that my mother. No, you can come and steal. We don't like to complain anymore. Because Krishna is the one person. Krishna is the personification of bliss. Whoever near to Krishna, they are always blissful. They are not trying to involve themselves with any material activities. They can see pure, whoever little bit realization about our practice. They don't want to hold any post in any society. This is fact. They don't want to involve themselves with any, administrative activities. They want to get rid of everything and engage as much as they can towards Lord services in mind, physically. Realized soul, when they are serving, they are feeling they are in this abode. Temple is a Golok Vrindavan's altar. Under the wish fulfilling tree, and the nice canopies, Radha Krishna sitting there. They are feeling that. Therefore, they don't want to leave their service. If you engage them to worship Lord, they don't want to. When you engage them to cook, they never complain, oh, this is cooked by Radharani, I am assisting Radharani. They don't want to leave the seva. If you realize, because we don't have any realization what we are doing. Is the cooking seva more effective seva for Krishna's satisfaction? Because for Krishna, who cooked? Radharani herself used to cook. So in Krishna's temple, if we chance to cook, we should establish such mood. Actually, Radharani is cooking. I am assisting Radharani. Whenever put any ingredients to the menus, Jai Shri Radhe, then you can see everything tasty. In your hand, perfect quantity appear, all the spices, salt, and become tasty. And also healthy, tasty. So anyway, so you can see that because we don't have such mood, therefore we are thinking why I am doing so, why I will do all the time. Only once in a week I can do one time, right? Because so many devotees, they should say, why I do? But when I feel Krishna is my Krishna, the all service, my service. If someone doing, we have to feel my service, he is doing on my behalf. So I feel indebted to him. I am not getting enough time to perform that service he is doing. I feel I should offer him some gratitude. And also I should respect him accordingly. Means gratitude, offer gratitude, and so respect accordingly, we can say that much. If you feel it is my Krishna is my Krishna, all seva for me, then you feel like that. Feel happy, oh you did that. But if I feel, oh, he is doing, okay, I save, I can do. Not like that. Mind what is going on, that we have to think. A mind there, okay, let him do. Let us be engaged. Some gossiping here. It is not applicable. We have to feel inside what I said. Sokhi lila bistariya sokhi asana sokhi bina ei lilar onner nahi goti sokhi bhabe jetare kore anugoti. Sokhi bina, without sokhis, this pastimes, onner nahi goti is not access. No one can get access without Sakhi's blessings. Therefore, we have to always following the footsteps of Sakhis. That mood we have to. Bhav, mood, manjari bhav. But should be manjari always serving under the guidance of Sakhi. Under the guidance of Sakhis. The Manjari Bhava, Sakhi's footsteps. To target. Establish Manjari Bhava. Mind, fiction, where? To serve. Fix our mind with our form, with our outfit, with our age, with our seva, mixing. But it should be under Sakhis, under the guidance of Sakhis. It's not possible that mind concoction I am thinking. I took initiation from Lalita Sakhi. It's not possible. If you want to climb up the 7th floor, you have to go through first floor, from ground floor. You should not just jump 7 feet, it's not possible. Therefore, we have to think about how we can get it. That mood we can get through chanting. Therefore, all our Guru Varga, they say, during the practice, during the chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra practice, you have to fixing your mind. Means thinking. During the time of chanting, you have to think. This Bengali language, he says, Sadhana chintive jaha, siddhi kale paive taha. This is explained by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. It's not like, I am not talking about my mind concoction. Sadhana chintive jaha, during the time of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, whatever we think, it will be our destination. It's not like our Guru will come and deliver. Not. Father is a doctor. So Father give me certificate. You can be doctor. It's not possible. You have to go through the university, medical university. There is theoretical, practical, then you can get fellowship. Then under practice, under senior doctor you practice, then you can get fellowship, then you can be full-fledged doctor. It's not like, even that lawyer, if you just lawyer, you can get, you have to go to university, pass the law, LLB, then you have to practice under the senior lawyer, then you can be full-fledged lawyer. Similarly here, same thing. We have to just, Guru can deliver, it's not possible. Guru is like connector. Guru is a connector. Our sadhana will deliver. Think about that. Again I am telling, Guru is connector. You can see so many times Bhaktivedanta Narayana Maharaj say, I will give you connection. He never said, I will deliver you. My Gurudev also used to say, I will give you connection with my Prabhupada. He never said, I am Guru, I will give you connection to my Guru Prabhupada. He will deliver you. Means what? His instruction, please follow. My instruction have no value. Whatever I am telling, it is his instruction. So follow him. Then his instruction, what instruction? Chant. Lakh Naam chant. Lakh Naam means 64 round chant, minimum in a day. But nowadays, we prefer 16. Most of the devotees prefer 16. They say that if you chant more, that means we are violating our law. They are not thinking what Mahaprabhu says, what Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta says. Who is our root? Root is Mahaprabhu and Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta. Mahaprabhu Bhagavan and Bhagavan's spiritual descendant, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada, all our Guru Varga, whatever they say, Prabhupada says, Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Lagna. But it is nowadays, our mind is very naughty, Kali Yuga, too much complicated, society become too much complicated because lot of corruption, complicated, everything complicated. It is very strange when you go out and coming back to home safely. That is the strange for our Kali Yuga. If you go out, no surety will come back again. I have planned. I left Calcutta 17th of March. Then I had planned 13th April I'll go to England. Where? Still I am here. This is good, Radharani pulling me here. This is good, one sense. Good pulling. But what was my plan is not working. So this is we have to think about. So our sadhana will deliver us. Skill of sadhana. Skill of sadhana, fixing our mind, fixing our seva, eventually. Purna vikasita hoiya, braje more jaya loiya. When absolute realization of chanting will appear in our consciousness, then in spirit we will not be any other place except Braj Vrindavan. We may be in America, Europe, any continent, but in spirit we will be in Vrindavan. That we have to think. Sadhana chinti ve jaha siddhi ka le pai veta. Harinam Chintamani, if you read, Bhaktivinoda reading, writing accordingly, wrote accordingly. Harinam Chintamani, just title of the book, Harinam Chintamani. Harinam is thought fulfilling stone. Thought means you have to think. Not like just to sound vibration will deliver me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Ram. It will not. It can give us sukriti. Some sukriti means pious credit which can make our material life comfortable. This is fact. Comfortable material life you can get. Such type of chanting. Never ever think about deliver. You can see day by day all we are become more materialistic. 1 temple, 2 temple, 3 temple, 4 temple, 5 temple, making temple. What is your realization? What is your sadhana? Do you have realization? Actually, my Guru will deliver me. It's not possible. Your sadhana will deliver you. Anyway, Sakhi lila vistariya Sakhiya sadai Sakhi bina ei lila anner Sakhi bina ei lila anner nahi goti Sakhi bhave je tare kore anugoti Sakhi bina ei lila anner nahi Sakhi bina, without Sakhis, without following the footsteps of Sakhi. Hey Lila, this pastime, what pastime? To be engaged ourselves in Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's abode. Ordinary naivety is not possible. If you're not following the footsteps and anugatto, you don't have anugatto, it is not possible. Sakhi bhave jetare kore anugati. Sakhi bhave, according to direction, instruction of Sakhi, we do accordingly. So Lalita Sakhi engaged Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari engaged by Lalita Sakhi. Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari Chua Chandana Dahe Chua Chandan. Prestige, sandalwood, camphor. Malotira mala rupo manjari lagae. Rupa Manjari making Malati's garland. Garland with Malati flower. You can see Narottam Thakur's composed song, Radha Krishna Panomor Jugalo Krishna. This song you can see the two lines. Gathiya Malotir Mala Divo Duhar Gale. This Duha means two. Which two? Radha Krishna. Malatir Mala. You can see this. Visakha Di Sakhi Brindo Nana Ragil. All of this can engage. All of them engage. Do singing the glories of divine couple. And then Pionarama Sakhi Jato Chamoro Dhuna. Which Pionarama Sakhi? Krishna Das Kaviraj with 8 Manjaris. Very dear Manjari, Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari, Manjulali Manjari. Rasa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Guna Manjari, Vilas Manjari, Lavanga Manjari, Kosturi Manjari. That pure Narma Sakhi. That's all the Manjari, that's pure. You can see Radharani once he explained to Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. While Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad thinking that Kama Gayatris, why Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami says 24 and a half syllable. It is 25 syllable, I see. Why half? Then he decided, if I am not realizing this reason, I will die. Because if there is no mantra's meaning, there is no value of chanting. So in that bhav, he was in Radha Kund. Unless I am not getting the answer from Radharani, I will not eat, I will not go any place. Here, near Radha Kund I am sitting. In the midnight, Radharani appeared and explained. Krishnadas Kaviraj is my pure Narma Sakhi. What he composed is perfect. Look. With Mahe. Anyway, I don't like to say. But anyway, Kamo Deva. You know that mantra. Devaya and Vidmahe. A and Ba. It's a half. They explain grammatically. Devaya or Vidmahe. A, untasta A and Ba. It's called half. Poe or Ba, a half syllable. Then describe. In that place, Radharani say, Krishnadas is my pure Narmasaki. So Krishnadas is Kaviraj Goswami, who is Kasturi Manjari. In that way I am telling. So they are putting chamara. That we have to actually visualize through chanting. Fixing your mind, Harinam Chintamani, to think. But nowadays we are chanting Harinam, but gossiping and chanting. So you will be more and more in gossip, whatever you do during chanting Harinam, that will be your destination. Sadhana chinti vejaha siddhi kale vaiveta. Whatever, siddhi kal, during the time of perfection, you will get that. Gossiping group. Gossiping group only exists in the material world, not spiritual world. Spiritual world, everybody are speaking the glories of divine couple, glories of all the devotees. But here we are gossiping. Why? Because we are gossiping during chanting, that we love gossiping. Just to think how we gossip. Who is sannyasi more senior, more generous, more advanced? We are thinking. Who is thinking? No, if you just look. Who has no master's degree or PhD degree, just normal studies here, like a secondary degree here, secondary certificate here. Is it possible for him to judge how much one PhDs, what is quality? Is it possible for him to judge anything? That's why. Who is sannyasi, how much advanced, this is not our content, this is not our subject. Subject is how much we are getting taste of bliss during chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That is our only goal to realize. Instead of that, what we are doing, you just think, the Sokhi Vina Ei Lila Onder Nahi Goti, Sokhi Bhave Jetare Kore Ungoti. Radha Krishna Kunju Seva Shaddo Sei Pai, Sei Shaddo Paite Ar Nahi Ko Pai. Without Sokhi's appreciation, Radha Krishna's Kunju Seva means in groves. To serve Radha Krishna, which we are not eligible to do that. Not able to get deservedness to serve. Say sadho, that destination, that attainment, paite ar nahi ko paye. Without Sokhi's anugatta, Sokhi's footsteps, there is no other process exists. This is explained by Krishna, but I can read Amrita Bhasya. Mahaprabhu etavat savan koriya kohilen sadhya vastur. Sadhya vastur সমগ্র কথিত হইল, এখন এই চরম সাধ্য বস্তু পাইবার যে সাধন বা উপায় আছে তাহা বলো। রায় রামানন্দ তদুত্তরে বলিলেন, দাস্য বাৎসল্য রসে এই গুড়তত্ত্ব পাওয়া যায় না, সখী ব্রজ সখী বিনা এই লীলার অন্যের প্রবেশ অসম্ভব। ব্রজ সখীর ভাব গ্রহণ পূর্বক সখীর অনুগত্যে সাধন করিতে পারিলে রাধাকৃষ্ণ কুঞ্জ সেবারূপ সাধ্য বস্তুর পাওয়া যায়, অন্য উপায় নাই। That's why I explained, that is the Bhaktivinoda Thakur says. Because I know the meaning of this text, this text. Therefore I am not reading that, but now I am reading the same thing what I explained. So therefore you can see also, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain, Lalita Sakhir Ajogya Kinkari. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kamala Manjari, he said, I am an unqualified servant of Lalita Sakhi. I am qualified. 40 years I am chanting, 50 years I am chanting. I am qualified. Such mood is not Vaishnava mood. It is not Vaishnava mood at all. Vaishnava mode, submissive mode. Atmanirvadana. Dinta, humility is the sixth symptom of humility. Daino, Atmanirvadana. Atmanirvadana means submissive. Bali Maharaj did. Bali Maharaj, he was submissive. Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote, Atmanivedan kori tua pade mainu parama sukhi. O Lord, I submit to my Atmanivedan kori tua pade, to your lotus feet. Mainu parama sukhi, I become extremely happy. And dukkha dure galo, all distress pass away. Chinta na rahilo, no more anxiety. Chaudik ananda dekhi, surrounding I see, all become blissful. Ananda, ananda, ananda. That is our path. So tomorrow I will start the text number 205. Just remind me that 205, then I will start. My main problem is this, I am not reading before it. I am reading here. Before class I am supposed to read and prepare myself. But I am not doing so because actually practically I am not getting time. Properly not getting time. So anyway, thank you very much. Today our time over. Hare Krishna.